Hello guys, welcome to Megalight YouTube channel, and for today's video I want to visit this guy. This one at Tecno Camon 18i, and to be very frank with you, I get some more grudges with this phone. But why? Well, we get other phones for this Camon 18 series like the Camon 18 Pro, and when Tecno released that Camon 18 Pro, everybody like, wow, the phone makes sense. But not be with this Camon 18i. So for this video, I want to talk about some of the things when I expect to see for this Tecno Camon 18i when it say me not really see. Actually, from what me feel personally, I think Tecno, they actually use people when no get money to buy the more expensive Pro phone. Then they use them, they play, and then those when they say get money to buy those expensive ones, they'll give them all the luxurious features, all the amazing features when they inside phone. Well, to me, not really makes sense. But no offense, I understand. Now business world will be. Actually, the phone is a budget phone, and if you hold something between 85 to 90,000 naira, if you use and collect the phone, go house. Before I just talk about some of the things when I not like with this phone, I could just take some more time and review the phone. Now 4GB RAM phone, it get 3 cameras for back with the fingerprint sensor, and then it get really fine display when they say cover the entire front of the phone. Oh, make I try change. Wow, I think this one is one of the things when I like about, and the home screen of the phone, it makes sense. So I like the way the display of the phone be, say you almost cover the whole of the screen except for the bottom when it gets just a little cut out. The phone they run on 4GB RAM, now Android 11 phone, and it gets up to 128GB ROM. And then it get 8MP camera for front with 48MP camera for back. Frankly, that one dey a lot, especially the camera software they really strong enough to handle some of the circumstances when you go use to do video recording and taking of pictures. The phone they run on Android 11, and they build them on MediaTek Helio G85 chipset. And then the last good thing about the phone when I personally like, now the 5000 mAh battery capacity when it be say follow and call. So really the phone gets so many good sides when it be say I must acknowledge before I talk about the other downside of the phone. So what about the downside of the phone? One, the phone camera. The camera no make sense at all. I don't try different camera settings and different locations and see if the camera maybe perhaps it will get some kind of circumstances when it be say it will take good. It just look like the softwares when it be say the inbuilt inside the camera not really work at all. So it is very difficult for the phone to control brightness. Sometimes you go use and take picture, the picture contrast go too much. Sometimes you go take picture and it go look like say na black and white pictures you take. And also if you use and take video too, you will find that say instead of and to give you the exact video quality when you get, you actually they kind of take some black and white videos when not really worth 48MP camera phone. But one of the things when I really hate most now the selfie part of the camera. The selfie part of the camera na no go area at all. When I take picture of myself with the phone and I even video myself with the phone, I start to see some kind of ripples and spots for inside my face when they say. For other phones, I never see that kind of camera once before when they say they put pimples or wrinkles inside your phone. And it make this one the first phone when they say really get this kind of ugly camera quality when they say it really they hard and tough to imagine. Then about the night mode of the camera, after I try it for different videos, I find that say the night mode not really they work as intended. For example, it is hard to differentiate between picture when I take with the night mode camera and the one when I take with the AI camera, and then with the one when I take with the portrait mode of the camera. So I don't really see any difference between these pictures, and it not really look like night mode picture really did there for inside the phone, even though say you fit take picture in a night mode for the camera, but it not really get any effect. So for the camera side of this Tecno Camon 18i, I not go recommend them at all. That one take me to the second problem when I get with the phone, the design. Honestly, the phone is very thin. I not really know the height of the thinness in millimeters actually, but compared with other phones, the phone is very thin. It is very easy to hold for hand and it's not heavy. But when it comes to the design itself, especially with the way they design the back, I'm not really sure say Tecno make the right decision here, especially with this particular color. It not look like the real blue when they say everybody go expect for phone. Getting a light blue when they say gradually come fade into off-white color, and then just the whole design of the body, it not really water. I think even Camon 17 series sef, they did know better when it comes to design and the structure of the phone past this Tecno Camon 18i. Maybe Tecno will actually replace this 18i with one of those phones for inside the 17 series. The last problem when I get with the phone, now the audio quality. I really think that one of the problems when it is say most Tecno phones they get, and that's something when it is say Tecno never really fit to work on with the audio quality. I never really noticed this problem for other phones like Infinix, like Samsung. Okay, most say Samsung too high, but okay, Itel and other phones when they say they're within this Tecno range. Tecno, whenever you use the sound recorder to record sound, or you use the video to record something, and then you try to listen to the sound again, it dey get some kind of unclear sound or noise when they say they come from inside the record when they say you don't make with the phone. And even if you want to use something like video editor to edit am, it is very hard to remove those sound, and it's not really dey unpleasant for person when they say know about audio and sound qualities. It's not just the problem of just this phone alone. I don't know if the Tecno Camon 18 Pro get that same sound problem, but of which I don't really expect them to get them because now the pro of this phone and the highest phone for the Tecno Camon series so far. But for this phone, it's just today noticeable. So the first time when I record something for sound and listen to them again, and then the first time when I take video and try to play back the video and listen to what I talk inside the video, it really did awful. It not really makes sense to me. It not look presentable to something when you probably send to somebody to listen to or so on. So when it comes to the audio side of this phone, the phone don't work at all. It don't make any really sense. So the camera of the phone, the design of the phone, and the audio output of the phone, it not really work at all. You know what? And I think somebody when they say get between 85 to 90,000 naira won't call you and say go buy a phone of this quality. The phone not really worth the money at all. I would recommend the person buy another phone. Or if na me 9 day in the show say I get between 85,000 to 90,000 naira when I not go use and I won't buy a phone, I'm not really sure I go settle for the Tecno Camon 18i, because the truth is it's not really worth time at all. The link to the Tecno Camon 18i unboxing and review the bottom of the description section of this phone. So if you want to really know all the details and specification of the phone, I beg, click the link below so that you'll feel watch am. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this video, and also help me share the video, give your friends. Because na me that they bring to you all the good things when they inside phone and the bad things when they inside phone, so that you go first know before any other person go know about them. See you for my next video.